This tool is seriously about to blow your mind. Most creators believe AI automation is expensive, that you need paid subscriptions, tons of credits, and some fancy high-end setup just to make it work. But this secret text-to-video generator completely flips that idea. It can generate 100+ AI videos in a single click. No free trials, no hidden fees, no weird limitations. Over the past few months, I've tested a lot of automation tools, especially ones that claim to generate AI videos in bulk. And honestly, what I just found outperforms most paid tools out there right now. This tool can bulk generate videos with audio included. It's free, it's fast, and it can completely change the way you create content. So let's jump into today's automation masterclass, and I'll show you exactly how to use this free, unlimited workflow to create videos in bulk. The tool is called AutoGrok Automation for Grok AI. Just go to Google and search Grok Automation. It should appear right at the top. Click on it, this is the one you need. This automation tool, created by Truong Luan, is basically an all-in-one system that lets you fully automate your AI workflow using Grok. Instead of manually typing prompts, generating videos one by one, and downloading everything separately, it allows you to bulk create your videos in one streamlined process. So if you're tired of waiting for each video to generate, typing prompts over and over, and handling everything manually, this tool was built for you. It basically turns Grok into a fully automated content engine. You can batch send prompts, generate multiple videos at once, and save hours of time and effort. No more repetitive work, no more sitting around waiting for downloads. Now, let's walk through how it works, step by step, and how you can use this free, unlimited workflow to build a successful automation channel.
Now, head over to AutoGrok and install the extension. Just click Add to Chrome and allow it to be added to your browser. Once it's installed, make sure to pin it to your toolbar so we can access it easily for bulk automation. And listen carefully, the setup I'm about to show you is very important. If you skip even one step, you might run into errors and waste your credits. I've been testing this for about a week, so the settings I'm sharing are optimized to help you get smooth, perfect results on your first try. Once installed, open the extension. This is the main AutoGrok interface. You'll see an option that says Navigate to Grok. Since this extension works directly with Grok AI, we need both running together. Just click that button and it will take you straight to the official Grok website. If you already have an account, you'll land directly on the dashboard. If not, go ahead and create an account first. It only takes a minute. Now, with both tools open side by side, we're basically activating automation mode. The next step is to configure the extension properly before launching our first project. Inside AutoGrok, you'll see 4 different creation options: text to video, frame to video, image to video, and image to image. I'll walk you through all of these features so you can get the best possible results. But for now, let's start with the first option, text to video, and build our first automated project. The third option we have here is called prompt delays. It means how long the tool waits before sending the next prompt when you're running multiple prompts in a batch. For example, if the delay is 30 seconds, the tool sends one prompt, waits 30 seconds, then sends the next one. So the delay is simply the gap between each prompt in bulk generation. This is crucial while doing batch generation as it prevents errors and failed generations. I recommend you set it at 10 or 15 seconds at least. Don't make it too fast. Give it some time to run the prompt smoothly in bulk. Finally, this is where the magic really happens, the place where you add all prompts at once and make the videos. I generated some sample prompts using ChatGPT, so I pasted them in the prompt box. You can do the same, just make sure your prompts clearly mention the style, characters, setting, camera angles, and any important video elements you want included. The more specific you are, the better the results. Now we're ready to launch our first bulk generation project with Grok AI. Before you hit start, go to the Settings tab and configure everything properly. Keep the mode and model as default for now. The main thing you want to adjust is the aspect ratio. You'll see multiple options, perfect for long-form videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or Facebook content. For this demo, I'm setting it to 16:9.
Next is the output video setting. If you've used Grok before, you know it can generate multiple variations per prompt, but here we can control that. I'm selecting just one video per prompt to keep things clean and organized. Below that, you'll see image-related options. Leave those as they are for now. Then we have the duration setting. You can generate videos between 6 to 10 seconds. Since this is just a demo and I need short clips, I'll set it to 6 seconds. Finally, we have auto download. This controls whether the generated videos automatically save to your computer. If you turn it off, the tool will still generate the videos but won't download them. I recommend keeping it on. You can also choose the download quality. Set it to 720p for a good balance of quality and file size. Once everything is set, hit run, and this is where the real magic happens. Now sit back and watch. The tool starts generating the videos automatically. Everything happening on the screen is fully automated. No manual prompting, no repeated clicking. We just wait for the results. And there it is. The generation is complete. All videos are created in high quality, and yes, they include audio as well. Pretty crazy, right? Think about how much time this saves. Normally, you'd have to enter one prompt in Grok, wait for it to generate, download the video, then repeat the entire process again and again. That manual workflow gets exhausting fast. This extension eliminates that repetitive cycle and turns it into a streamlined automation system. Now that you know how to automate your workflow with Grok AI, let's talk about how you can use this to build successful automation channels in almost any niche. You can create documentary content, animations, history videos, psychology content. Practically any niche you can think of can be scaled using this system. We just explored the text-to-video feature, where you paste your prompts and generate everything in Book. And this is only the beginning.
Now let's move on to text-to-image. This time, I'm taking a motivational Japanese folktale as inspiration, but we're going to recreate it in a beautiful Ghibli-style animation look. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate detailed image prompts in Ghibli style based on your story. And here's something very important. Tell ChatGPT to keep the characters consistent throughout the story. Just add a line like, "Maintain character consistency across all scenes." This ensures your main character looks the same in every image. Once you hit generate, your prompts will be ready. Now ask ChatGPT to extract only the prompts in the exact same sequence formatted for a .txt file. This step is important because it removes any extra explanation and gives you clean, properly separated prompts that are perfect for bulk generation. Copy all those prompts and paste them into AutoGrok. Remember earlier I mentioned that this tool has separate controls for images and videos? Since we're doing text to image now, go to the Settings tab and choose how many images you want per prompt. You can select any number depending on how many variations you need. Adjust the parameters as required, then hit generate. Within moments, your entire story will be visually created scene by scene. Now, while the bulk images are generating, let's quickly create a high-quality voiceover to match the story. Go to Google and search for Gemini Text-to-Speech. It's free and allows you to generate voices daily. Paste your script there and choose an engaging voice. But here's the key. To get the perfect tone and emotion, you need to add style instructions. For that, go back to ChatGPT, paste your script, and ask it to generate style instructions for the narration. For example, tone, pacing, emotion, and delivery style. Then copy both your script and the style instructions into Google AI Studio and click Generate. In seconds, you'll have a professional quality voiceover. Now let's go back and check our bulk image generation. And there it is. Everything is ready. All the scenes have been generated successfully, and the tool has automatically saved them to our device as well. Now download all the generated files and import everything into CapCut. First, place the voiceover onto the timeline. Then start adding your scenes one by one in sequence. For each scene, I recommend keeping the duration at least 3 seconds. This is very important for audience retention. If the scenes change too quickly, viewers won't have enough time to process the visuals. So take your time and match each scene properly with the voiceover. Once all your images are aligned, add smooth transitions between them. Since we're working with still images, adding movement is essential to make the video feel dynamic. You can apply subtle animation effects like zoom in, zoom out, or pan movements. I'm using a smooth fade transition along with a gentle motion effect. It keeps the video clean and professional. Now it already looks much better. Finally, add auto captions to enhance engagement and accessibility. Captions help boost retention and make your content more scroll-stopping, especially on platforms like Reels and Shorts. And that's it, your final video is ready.
A martial arts student went to his teacher and said earnestly, "I am devoted to studying your martial system. How long will it take me to master it?" The teacher's reply was casual. 10 years.
Incredible, right? In just a few minutes, I've already created 2 full-length videos. That's the real power of bulk generation. Now imagine how many videos you could produce in a single day using this system. There's practically no limit to what you can achieve with this kind of AI automation. AutoGrok is honestly a game changer. With this workflow, you could easily create an entire month of content in just one day. The tool itself is completely free, and if you have 3 or 4 email accounts, you can rotate them and continue using Grok without running into limits. Every tool I showed you today is free, and this proves that you don't need expensive software to start automation. I'm genuinely impressed by the opportunities this workflow opens up, and this could be your moment to take action and start building something at scale. If you have any questions about this masterclass, drop them in the comments and I'll personally reply to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck building your automation journey.